Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to kick dandruff to the curb with 10 fantastic home remedies. So, what's the deal with dandruff anyway? It's that annoying skin condition that loves to camp out on your scalp, leaving behind those embarrassing white or yellow flakes. Not the best look, right? Now, what causes it? It could be dry skin, oily skin, seborrheic dermatitis, or even just a sensitivity to certain hair care products. Symptoms? Think white, oily flakes in your hair and on your shoulders, along with that frustratingly itchy scalp. But don't sweat it. Dandruff might be a pain, but it's not serious or contagious. And guess what? There's a whole arsenal of remedies to tackle it right at home. Let's break down the top 10. 1. Apple cider vinegar. This stuff is a game changer. It balances your scalp's pH level, making it a hostile environment for dandruff-causing yeast. Just mix with water, apply after shampooing, and rinse it thoroughly. 2. Tea tree oil. Nature's antifungal hero. It kicks yeast to the curb, reduces inflammation, and soothes itching. Mix with your shampoo or a carrier oil like coconut, massage in, and rinse for maximum benefits. 3. Aloe vera. Soothing and moisturizing, aloe vera is a dandruff-fighting powerhouse. Apply fresh gel directly to your scalp, leave for a bit, and rinse. Easy peasy. 4. Baking soda. Not just for baking. It's a fantastic exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and balances pH levels. Massage onto wet hair, leave for a few minutes, and rinse thoroughly. 5. Coconut oil. The ultimate moisturizer. It hydrates your scalp, reduces flakes, and fights off fungi. Massage in, leave overnight, and wash out for silky smooth results. 6. Lemon juice. With its citric acid, lemon juice balances pH levels and fights dandruff-causing yeast. Dilute, apply, leave for a bit, and rinse. Simple as that. 7. Camphor. Cool and refreshing. Camphor fights off fungi and provides relief from itchiness. Mix with coconut oil, massage in, leave for 30 minutes, and rinse for a soothing scalp. 8. Rosemary extract. Packed with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, rosemary is a scalp superhero. Use it as a massage or rinse for a healthier scalp. 9. Neem oil. Another antifungal champ. Neem oil reduces inflammation, moisturizes, and promotes a balanced scalp pH. Massage in, leave for 30 minutes, and rinse out. 10. Fenugreek seeds. These little guys moisturize, soothe irritation, and fight off fungi. Soak, grind, apply, and rinse for relief. But wait, there's more. Don't forget these bonus tips. 1. Proper hair. Hygiene. Keep it clean and avoid sharing hair tools to prevent the spread of dandruff-causing fungi. 2. Scalp massage. Regular massages with oils like coconut or tea tree can improve circulation and prevent dryness. 3. Healthy diet. Load up on vitamins and minerals for a healthy scalp. 4. Stress management. Stress can worsen dandruff, so find ways to relax and unwind. 5. Avoid hot water. Stick to lukewarm temps to prevent drying out your scalp. 6. No scratching. It only makes things worse. Opt for a gentle touch or anti-itch cream instead. And there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to dandruff with these awesome home remedies. We hope you found this info helpful. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you later.